Happening right now, federal, state, and local agencies are participating in a full-scale exercise at Greenville-Spartanburg International Airport to test the state's ability to support medical evacuations and patient transport. 7 News' Tatiana Cash live at GSP in Greer with more on this. Good afternoon.
That's right. Good afternoon to you, Fred. I'm here with Stephanie Sims, who's a nurse practitioner, and actually she's kind of helping head where we're in physically a tent. Stephanie, how are you this afternoon?
Hey, I'm doing great, thank you.
Wonderful. So kind of tell us what exactly is going on and kind of describe, as photojournalist Devon Smith kind of pans around, as what is, happening right now.
Sure, so this is actually a multi-agency state event. It's a natural disaster drill. We're with the hospital emergency response team with Spartanburg Regional. We set this up yearly and work with, again, multi-agencies to help determine how to best handle a natural disaster, what to do with these patients when they get dislocated from their homes based on maybe a hurricane, flooding, things of that nature.
Okay, so what's exactly happening in this room right now? We're seeing people in gurneys.
Okay, so these folks that you see lying here are patients that have been deployed from hospitals on the coast or Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, things of that nature. We determine what their injuries are, what their medical needs are, and then we determine where they need to go in our local area as not to burden one specific facility.
Wonderful, and I know we're going to just transition this way so you can see exactly what else goes on. So after they get kind of assessed here, we move to another section and then kind of what happens here, just a little quickly.
Sure, yeah, we have 3 different sections, and once they move through and are triaged, they will just move to our area where they are sent to our local hospitals. So we have ambulance set out outside, and we take them wherever they may be, to Pelham Medical Center, Spartanburg Regional. We can go as far as Union, wherever the resources are.
Stephanie, thank you so much for explaining this. And of course, this is a necessary event, as we mentioned before. We're going to send it back to you in the studio, but we'll continue to talk about this event, I believe, throughout the rest of the evening, just why it's important. Back to you, Fred.
Tatiana, thank you. More than 30 years after an elderly